Alright, so I just got home from work, I don't know, like 20 minutes ago. Thought it'd be a cool time to do a EDC video, at least a work EDC video. See the variations and what I carry and whatnot. First off, this is a recent change. This is my Paramilitary 2 Digi Camo S30V Golden Colorado made. Been to the factory since I moved out here. It's pretty cool. This is my favorite knife that I have. But Sunday, today's Thursday, so Sunday was my wife's birthday, and she's been pestering me that she wants this knife for herself. So I let her have it for her birthday. So this is a recent change. This was my EDC. It's no longer. Definitely recommend one. That is the best pocket knife ever. So that's different. This is now my EDC, which this is what I used to carry to work every day anyway, so it's not bad. I love it. Ooh, I love this knife. Notice it is different than most of what you see. It is the Coyote Brown, or I'll just say brown handle, and it does have the Emerson wave blade. You're not gonna find this color combination anywhere. I've had like 7 Enduras, and this is just my favorite. I really like the wave blade. Saber grind isn't as good of a slicer, but it's got a really thick, really strong tip. And this is, like I said, this is what I carry at work. So that's my favorite color handle that they make, except for the new, they make a sprint run for some forum. I don't remember which one it is. It's like USN, how they have the toxic green handle and the black wave blade, and it was partially serrated. Now they have like a really awesome OD colored handle and a black wave blade that's not serrated. Might get one of those. It's pretty awesome looking. But this is my EDC knife. I have this on me absolutely all day, every day. Till I'm in my PJs, this is in my pocket. So, that's also an excellent knife. I mean, aside from the color that comes with the wave blade is actually like a really dark blue. So that's my knife. I already have my gun off because I don't open carry at work. It stays in the car. I don't carry into my job, but it's just Uncle Mike's holster. Padded inside the waistband holster, and my Glock 19, which that's how it stays. Yes, fingers off the trigger. My safety is in between my ears. I do carry one in the chamber all the time. When I'm not at work, I will either be carrying the Glock 19 like I just showed you, either concealed like I just showed you, or it will be in this leather holster, open carry. Since I live in Colorado, it's legal. So sometimes I open carry, not all the time. I conceal way more than I open carry. If I'm up in the mountains for the day, shooting, hiking, whatever, having fun, this is what I carry. This is a FMP 45 Tactical, which, for all those same people, yes, there's one in the chamber, and it's full. FMP 45 Tactical, I don't keep it full because I don't want to kill the springs. These magazines are not cheap, but it's close enough. FM 45 Tactical Blade Tech WRS is what that's called. Weapon Retention System. From my last video, I didn't remember. This is a Blade Tech light bearing Kydex, color matched. It doesn't look like it in the video, but the grip and the Kydex are actually identical. It don't look like it. Whatever. And someone asked me, that clears. No, you cannot have it cocked and locked with that holster. I don't know if you could request it from Blade Tech that way. I like the double action, single action, so I feel safer that way. Back pocket, leather fossil wallet, picture of the munchkin. Off of my belt loop over here, hanging into my back pocket, are my normal keys. Everyone should have one of those. That is a Spyderco Bug, if you couldn't tell. Will shave your face if you wanted it to. Also in that same pocket, I have car key. This is actually the necklace lanyard thing that came with my EDC light, which is in wearing like carpenter jeans, so there's a little pocket over here that my light stays in, which that light is what this lanyard necklace thing came with. This is a 4.7 Squark 123 turbo, or 123 squared. Light on them other LEDs behind the camera messing this thing up. This is the S2 version, or S5, or whatever it's called. It's the warm white, which 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have SOS and beacon. Tighten the bezel. You have, I'm pretty sure it's 180 lumens. It's really bright. Soft tap it again and you get strobe, which my camera hates. And then back down to 0.7 lumens is what that is. It's called moonlight mode. Excellent light. That's always in my pocket. I don't carry a multi-tool because I'm an auto mechanic. When I'm not at home, I'm at work, and I'm next to my toolbox, which has way more tools in it and way more high-end quality, useful tools than any multi-tool will ever be able to match up to. Punch card. And usually this is in my pocket. Now, outside of work, like I said, the only difference really would be where my gun is. Aside from that, I carry all the same stuff every day. I always have a light on me, I always have a knife on me, and the only time I don't have a gun on me is when I'm either in some sort of federal building or actually on the clock at my job. That's it. Yep, that covers it. That's my EDC.